What if I told you you could earn over $14,000 a month from home using AI without showing your face or even your voice? In 2025, inflation is through the roof, layoffs are everywhere, and most people are stressed. But I found an AI side hustle that flipped everything for me. I was overworked and underpaid, doing 60-hour weeks and still broke. One night, I stumbled onto a video about faceless YouTube using AI. That changed everything. Start with a niche people are already searching: AI tools, make money, budgeting tips, motivation. Use Google Trends and YouTube auto-suggest to find hot topics. I write every video script using ChatGPT. I just prompt it with, write a YouTube script teaching how to use AI to make $500 a month, and boom, done in 30 seconds. Then I drop the script into ElevenLabs. I use a natural human-like voice that makes viewers stay longer. You can even clone your own voice now. Next up, DeepSeek AI. Upload your voiceover, pick a template, and it creates your entire video for you. Add a few custom visuals, drag and drop style. Here's my real YouTube dashboard from last month: $14,387 in ad revenue, affiliate links, and product sales, all from faceless AI-generated videos. I started with 2 uploads a week, then I built to 1 short per day, plus 1 long video per week. That rhythm trained the algorithm and brought views like crazy. Here's the full breakdown. YouTube AdSense equals $6,400, affiliate income $3,900, digital product sales equals $4,000 plus. Stack your streams and you never rely on one source. Once you make 10 plus videos on a topic, bundle them into a mini course. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Add searchable titles. Rank your descriptions with keywords like passive income with AI or faceless YouTube in 2025. SEO is compounding growth. I was broke. Now I make more than doctors, and I did it all without showing my face. If you post your first AI video this week, you're one step closer than 99% of people who scroll and do nothing. Comment "I'm starting now" if you're ready to build passive income with AI. Like, share, and subscribe for more faceless strategies. The future is now. Let's go.